Okay, so we were just having a normal day, and then the weather decided to thunder. You can hear that thunder, lightning, and rain. We have rivers for a street now. Woohoo! So, well, stop that. The weather is not doing very nicely towards us at all. Like, just at all. It's not very good at us at all. So, you need a cutting board for that. So I got, you cut a cantaloupe. It's a cutting board. And a bigger knife.
Are you kidding me? What's your problem?
Anyway, because you were doing it wrong. TV dinner's cooking. So guys, that is basically my day today. It's just weather, bad weather. So, bye. No, I'm not gonna shut it off yet.
It's not easy to
There
cut
goes-
with this.
You'd even try that one.
What?
You'd even try this
I
one.
tried it. To do it, that was too hard.
Should we make this into a slime, this little glue stick? Because we
Sure.
don't have the baking soda though. Maybe the dish soap would make it into slime.
What? The dish?
The yellow dish soap that activated the slime, remember? Maybe you'll make this into a slime.
I guess so.
So we're gonna melt this glue stick in the microwave, see if it'll melt. Make it.
Alright. Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that now though, I'm gonna do that later. Aha! TV dinner is done. Oh, I need a plate, darn it. I don't know, what's your opinion on this weather? He doesn't understand the weather interview. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to. Ow, that's burning.
Alright, will you please get out of there? Thank you. I appreciate that.
For the National Weather Service, what do you think of this weather? What do you think of this weather?
Mom.
Lizzie, what do you think of this weather? You're on TV. What do you think of it?
Why?
What do you think of this weather?
Why?
'Cause.
I think it better not mess up with our Minecraft.
What do you think about this weather and your TV dinner? They have no idea. Stealing a tasty cake.
Actually, Andrew and I, when Dad,
Stealing a tasty cake. Yeet.
when Dad upgraded from his one roll,
Bye guys, I'm gonna end this. Bye.